Okay, listen.
How long does the kind of owl that you're holding live for?
Good question.
Nick?
Hearing the person walk over again. They can live up to about 22, 23 years, something like that. In the wild, not quite that long. They kind of live maybe about 15 or so in the wild. But since she's got someone here taking care of her, giving her good food, she's got a vet that'll take care of her if she gets sick, she'll probably live 22, 23 years.
Okay, one
Maybe even
more.
longer.
Evan?
We hope. And we're guessing she's probably about 17 years old. We're not 100% sure, since she was injured in the wild, and so she came to us as an adult, and we had no idea how old she was when she came to us. She's been with us for over 12 years. So.
Okay, go for it, Evan.
Next question.
How much birds do you have in the zoo?
I'm not sure off the top of my head, but we have at least 100 different kinds of birds at the zoo. So total, I would guess, a couple hundred at least. So we've got a lot of birds here, especially in our aviary. We have a special place where birds live.